nyaka gendikwa.
Jatend kweth manoke od bura mamalo pia Wandayi wuok oko mar kwedo duoko mar penj maduong' mar klas 8 manogol kod jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Machogu. Wandayi wacho ni kuo nopong'o penjno kaluwore kod chiwo orak mar chapo tesego ne kambi moro mar piny India. Jatelono bende nokwayo jotend arita kwe kaunti ma Siaya mar bedo arita kata mar medo arita kwe mosebedo korochore e kaunti no.
The question is, what necessitated the withdrawal of this contract from the British firm at the very last minute? We are going to prove in the coming days, if not weeks, that the British firm had difficulties releasing these exams back to KNEC. For obvious reasons, because of the security and confidentiality issues surrounding the printing of exam papers and other security documents. If he is saying that every other year they have had to do new procurement for a printer, then why was this British firm already in possession of the 2023 KCPE exam questions? Let him deny, and we shall prove him otherwise.